I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to talk to you a little about how to make a pasta salad. Now there are three main components to any pasta salad. There's the pasta, there is the stuff you mix the pasta with, and there is the dressing. For the dressing, you can either use a mayonnaise or oil and vinegar. The mayonnaise will give you a creamier pasta salad. Now when you make the pasta for your pasta salad, obviously it's going to be hot when you cook it, but you want it to be cold because it's a salad. So there's two ways of cooking it. You can either put it in a colander and run some cold water through it, or you can just mix it with olive oil and wait for it to cool. I prefer running the cold water through it because it cools it faster, and it also gets some of the gluten and starch off of the pasta, so it makes it less sticky and you actually are able to use less oil that way. Now you want to use, if you're using ingredients like raw vegetables, say, I'm going to use some cucumber and tomato today, you want to use about half and half of pasta and everything else you're mixing it with. If you're using ingredients with really intense flavors like olives or capers or bacon or feta cheese, you want to use somewhat less. So here I have some rotini pasta, and it's called rotini because it goes round and round, and it comes from the same root as rotate. I'm going to dress that with a little bit of mayonnaise. I'm going to toss it with the mayonnaise before I add the other ingredients, because everything's going to get mixed in better that way. And then I'm going to add some chopped cucumber and some chopped tomato and some salt and some pepper. And there you have a very basic pasta salad.